Segmental lean analysis is a great tool no matter what type of business you're in. For example, if you're in the gym space, it gives you a great way to point out if people maybe need to do more unilateral training. If they have maybe an arm or a leg that has less lean mass than another one, maybe we want to focus on that area in particular so we can build up the strength. If you're in the medical space, maybe you're treating somebody with a peptide treatment. You can focus on the amount of lean mass in that area to make sure that you are allowing that person to build up the amount of strength or muscle in that particular area of the body. Just a couple of examples. But I want to make sure that we're on the same page about how to read this because it can be a little bit confusing with all the numbers on here. So number one, 100, I like to look at as a minimum healthy amount. So 100 is right in the middle of that average healthy range. So that's 100%. So in the right arm, 99.3%, 95.2 here, 97 in the trunk, 82 and 80 respectively in the right and left legs. So when I look at this for this person, my first focus would be I want to bring up the right and left leg to get them at least in the 90%, but 100 would be my minimum requirement for my clients. From there, you can always have more than 100%. And so that's just a good place to start. Look at the percentages. 100% is being the minimum healthy marker, but we can always be more than that. And then the pounds will show you imbalances in a really cool. So for example, I've had 2 elbow surgeries on my left arm. So I do have a little bit less lean mass in my left arm. And it'll point out things like that. One note with this segmental lean analysis here is that if you add up the numbers of pounds, it will not total the exact same amount as your total fat-free mass in your body. This is because it's not accounting for things like the head and neck area and certain areas of the body that cannot be perfectly measured with bioimpedance. So it gives you a great starting point for the trunk and the arms and the legs. Just know that it will not add up perfectly to the total fat-free mass in the body.